Hello everyone, today we will use a plasma cutter to cut through stainless steel to make this, a 2D version of my logo. This project was assigned in my RDI class last year and the premise was simple. We just had to use the plasma cutter to make a project. And since I have experience using a laser engraver and laser cutter, which of course uses a different material as shown in this other video, switching to the plasma cutter was not too difficult. I first traced the logo made by Mechanical Max fan. Thank you so much for doing that again. Then exported the sketch as a DXF file. After that, I took the file to the computer hooked up to the plasma cutter and cut along the path. I would show you the software for how I got the plasma cutter to move. However, the computer was still on Windows XP, so I am very confident the software was outdated. But regardless, I was able to cut out the sign. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this sheds some light on how plasma cut signs are made. This video is the first of many this school year, so if you want to see more videos on 3D printing, and especially programming, make sure to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.